Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Claude app not updating. First, open your app store and check if an update is available. Tap update if you see it. If the update does not start, check your internet connection and make sure that it is stable. Restart your phone and try updating again. You can also clear the app store cache. In Android, go to Settings, Apps and find the App Store. Tap Storage and clear cache. Then open the storage again and try updating Claude. If the problem continues, long press on the Claude app icon, remove app, delete app. After deleting it, go to the App Store again, search for the app and reinstall it from there. This ensures you have the newest features and bug fixes. That's how you can fix